What is an abdominal aortic aneurysm and what are the risks? Let's backtrack a little bit. What is the aorta? As I have mentioned to you, the aorta is this blood vessel that comes off the heart. It is the main blood vessel. And this blood vessel dilates. And when it dilates, it puts us at a risk that we don't want it to be, because it's just like a balloon. And think of if you're dilating a balloon, it will eventually pop, and we don't want that to happen. So what are the treatments available? So we try to treat this in a minimally invasive option if possible, meaning we go in through the groin and we put in what's called a stent graft to reline the aorta and reinforce that aortic wall. Also, if that is not available, then we can do open procedures, meaning we take out that aneurysm and replace it with a graft and we suture that in. All that to say is that we're avoiding the risk of the aneurysm, and we also put you on a surveillance program to prevent this in the future.